Trentham Gardens Classic Car Show. They moved it back to June instead of October, so it's a lot better. More people here, weather's nicer. We'll just do a quick tour. It's not going to be a 3-hour thing like old Classic Car does. I haven't got the attention span for that, I'm afraid. But we'll pick a few up.
Both sides, because if a distance on one side, it could be too far over.
Sort of starlet down there. To go and look at that in a minute. Mazda MX-5 VVT. Nice seats. That's nice, that. GF trophy there.
There's a guy down there, John.
Hear me. Evo. So that's an Evo 5 or 6 possibly. Yeah, Evo 6, let's see. Couple of RS 500 Focuses. It's a nice colour. Morris-Ital. It's very clean. Renault Alpine. We'll go back up that way now.
By the church, forgive me, Father, for our sins.
Right now. Right, see you later.
What, is that first aid?
Off the car?
Well, my mix is a mortgage.
Sorry.
micro, you know the micro end? Yeah. Me too. It's micro underneath.
Yeah, right. Yeah, well, I put an exhaust stuff on it.
Just going to get a picture of this one.
Just follow his advice and it seemed to work out.
I like playing with a bunch.
I thought, oh, I wouldn't make it. Just like,
Now, this was body swapped. I can't quite remember what it was. Was it a Nissan or a Vauxhall underneath?
with the wiper on and destroyed.
Toyota Semi. Look at that little beach. Very nice.
You are?
That's right.
So I'll bring the truck today. We'll drive onto the ramp, park it there. Go down with the truck. We can leave on the yeah, leave on there.
Oh, is it the car? Right. What's your dad?
Oh, something pretty special down here. Let me get down to it. So there's a K-swapped MR2, boosted boys style.
Time to go and look at the cars again.
Look at this. Pretty special, isn't it? Right, what else we got?
Guide when I sold it. Very tall.
Look at that thing.
There we go. I mean, there's more, but an overview of it all will be here all day if I was trying to capture every single car. I'm glad they moved it back to June, because when it was September, October time, it's a complete washout. Field was waterlogged, pissing it down. So, yeah, it's always a good show. And we've been coming for years, over 10 years anyway. Right, we'll leave it there. Thanks for watching.